Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this Brother P-Touch is such a great tool to have in my office to be able to make labels that I use all over the house. It's so small and compact and very easy to use. My favorite part is that it's so intuitive and it has so many different features. It even has really cute specialty fonts that are really fun and they add interest to different projects. I like to use it to label things in our office as well as in my craft room. And it's just so easy. I type in the words and then I select print, press the side, and it cuts the label and it's ready to be adhered to the whatever I'm labeling. I keep finding so many things that I want to just make a P-Touch label for. It's so fun to use this Brother P-Touch label maker to stay organized, whether it's in the kitchen, in the craft room, in the office, and that's my point of view.